welcome him to the wing of pussy that will beat up the other one. But I don't know if he will win or not. Welcoming the man. What are you looking at? Huh? I'll hit you if you don't stop looking at me. And welcome them to another man is coming. Let's see. Yeah, I'm number one. I'm number one. You can't beat me. I will win. Now, they will fight when the bell rings. But let's first see what they will say. I don't know. I would beat him. He ain't number one. Damn! And what are you looking at? I told you I will hit you if you don't stop looking at me. Let's see what the other guy has to do. I'm number one. I'm gonna get him, and I'm gonna be number one. Zoom in on this, guys. And that's his thing. Now let's see who wins the fight. Ding, ding, ding. Now I will win. Now you will lose. I will win. I'm number one. Now let's see who wins, you barnacle. And you're an idiot. Oh, Willie. I'm number one. Don't listen to him, guys. Ding, ding, ding. I told you I will knock you down. Now don't mess with me. I'll knock you down again. Now let's finish this. I'm standing on you until you pass out. Because I'm a winner. I'm a winner. Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah, now what? Now I kick you off. Can't finish this. Get off me. Now it's time to finish this. 1, 2, 3.